Hello, I'm back in part 2. Now, as part 1, as you see, I add some mench on the roof. And I add the shutters, like the panel for the window. And then I add some spiderweb mench inside. You can see it through the window. And then we're going to add some pumpkins. And we're going to put it on the bottom. Then we add all the little pumpkins on the bottom. And there it is. The Hocus Pocus. And now we're going to add some lights. So see, it's the finest haunted house DIY of Hocus Pocus. See you next time for another project. If you're new, welcome. And thanks for watching, everyone. And have a great day. See you next time. Bye.